In this tutorial, I'll show you how to mask images in Figma so you can place photos inside shapes or create custom image effects. Start by opening your Figma file and importing the image you want to use. Next, create the shape that will act as the mask. This can be a circle, rectangle, star, or any custom vector shape. Make sure the shape is positioned above the image in the Layers panel. The top layer will become the mask. Now select both the shape and the image. You can do this by holding Shift and clicking each layer. Right-click on the selection and choose Use as Mask. Figma will instantly place the image inside the shape, hiding everything outside the mask area. To adjust the image position, double-click the masked image and drag it until it looks the way you want. You can also resize either the image or the mask shape at any time without losing the effect. If you want to remove the mask later, select the masked group, right-click and choose Remove Mask. And that's it! You've successfully created an image mask in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.